Welcome to the world of academia, where abbreviation and acronyms are the name of the game. When writing a PhD thesis, these short forms are not just about brevity, but also about consistency and adherence to academic conventions. So how do we navigate this? Let's start with the basics. When you first introduce an acronym or abbreviation, write out the full term, then follow it with the short form in parentheses. For instance, the World Health Organization, WHO. Once introduced, maintain its usage consistently throughout your thesis. Remember, clarity is key. Use abbreviations and acronyms only when they are widely recognized and understood. If not, provide a brief explanation when you first introduce it. Consider creating a list of abbreviations and acronyms at the start of your thesis or in an appendix. This list should provide the full term for each abbreviation and acronym used. In terms of capitalization, acronyms are typically in all caps, while abbreviations retain the capitalization of the original term. Don't forget, there are exceptions to these rules. For example, and that is, are often used without parentheses. Lastly, consult your institution's style guide or the style guide for your field of study for any additional guidelines. Remember, the goal is to enhance clarity and conciseness without sacrificing readability or introducing confusion. Happy writing! Before we continue, let's take a brief pause. If you found this video helpful so far, we'd love for you to share it with your colleagues and friends who might also be navigating the labyrinth of academic writing. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing it only amplifies its impact. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll not only be supporting our channel, but you'll also be the first to know when we release more videos like this one. We're constantly working on creating content that can guide you through the often daunting world of academia. Whether you're writing a PhD thesis or a research paper, we're here to assist you with tips, tricks, and best practices. So don't miss out. Click the subscribe button and share this video to stay connected and informed. Up next, we'll be delving deeper into the world of academic writing. Stay tuned.